Last week I gave y'all an early look at the Hat Club multi-camo Yankees, and that hat was no joke. It sold out in less than 2 minutes. So if you were able to cop, sound off in the comment section. I want to hear which of y'all were able to get the dub on that Hat Club multi-camo Yankees last week. But this week I'm bringing y'all something brand new, another early look from Hat Club, of course, and today we are getting into their new collection called Marine Metallics. Now, once again, personally, I needed the Yankees, but there are some other good hats dropping alongside this one. Now, this is a tonal black hat, so black crown, black button, black visor, a white Yankees front logo, and the details are really where this hat shines, starting with that purple outline on the white Yankees front logo. I'm always 50-50 when it comes to the outline around the Yankees logo. I think when it works really well. But when it doesn't work, this time around, it works. Moving on to that side patch, 1999 World Series side patch, the big 99, and there are some really nice details in there. So on the screen right now, you should see the two patches side by side. On the Marine Metallics, you can see the threading pattern around the outline. It's similar to the threading pattern on the inside of the Fireworks patch. So on the outline, it goes blue, silver, yellow, blue, silver, yellow, and it repeats that pattern all the way around the outline. Like, that technique is really nice. I liked it on the Fireworks and I like it on this one. On the Fireworks patch, that like multicolored threading is on the inside and it goes teal blue, magenta, yellow, teal blue, magenta, yellow. And it just keeps that pattern all throughout. The reason why I'm bringing that up is because if you liked Hat Club's Fireworks pack, the original Fireworks pack, then you might like the Hat Club Marine Metallics. It's definitely worth taking a look at. That technique of the mixed threading, super clean. But the details don't even stop there. You can see the patch is split into two. You have pink on one side, purple on one side. So lots of colors being fit into a small space, and they're perfectly placed as usual. Hat Club is always on par with the color placement, and there's still enough white in there in the 1999 and on the World Series text that everything is nice and legible. Flat batterman on the back, it is white in the center, and on the inside it has that same mixed threading pattern going on. Tonal New Era flag, gray UV with the black sweatband. This hat was made in Bangladesh, so I'm giving y'all one more look at the crown, but keep in mind the hat has already been steamed, curved, and I've been wearing it all morning. I already took this out, I wore it, I got some photos in it. If you want to see the full fit, go check out my Instagram at Small Feet Big Heat to see how I styled this. So I've already been rocking this thing. This is a collection that I've been really excited about. It is inspired by marine life, of course, you know, Marine Metallics, but also Rainbow Fish, the children's book that I'm sure we all read around kindergarten. At least that's when I remember reading it. So Rainbow Fish, about, you know, kindness and the fish with the scales, and some of the scales were like metallic. I'll go ahead and throw up a picture, but if you've never heard of it, once you see this picture, I'm sure the hook will make a lot more sense. I love seeing the designers get inspiration from new and different places, and when you can relate to the hooks, when you can relate to the inspiration, that just makes it all the more better. Here's what the hat is looking like straight on. Here is a look at the side profile. I can get a good look at that patch. And I did go ahead and throw on a blip. Shout out the cosign for the blip. The Marine Metallics collection does drop on Friday the 25th. Stay ready so you don't have to get ready. Download the app. You should not be downloading the app at 2 p.m. I don't know why some of y'all do that. Maybe you're new to the drops, but at 2 p.m. when the hats drop, you should be on the app or on the website. Don't wait to open the app at 2 p.m. Don't be downloading, definitely don't be downloading the app at 2 p.m. You're setting yourself up for failure. Download the app today. Get familiar with the website today so that you don't have to be, you know, sputting around on Friday. Sound off in the comment section. Let me know what hats y'all picking up this week. Like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love. I always appreciate it, and I will check y'all out in the next one.